Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to demo and play a trial match with a locked hero. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Dota 2 game on your device and you will now be taken into the main menu. Now, there are various different heroes within the game, which you can unlock by progressing forward or by using your real-world currency. Click on the Heroes tab at the top and this will show you all of the heroes that are available within the game. If you wish to demo any hero, go ahead and click on it and you will be able to see the hero stats. You may also customize the hero by clicking on the customize button at the right side. Now, if you wish to play a demo match before purchasing this hero, then click on the demo hero button. This will now load a demo map with this hero where you will be able to test out this hero's abilities on some enemies. You can try out and test the abilities and then decide if you would like to purchase this hero. Once you are done with the demo and prefer to end it, you can tap on the back to dashboard button at the top left corner and this will now take you back into the hero page. You can check the demo of each and every kind of hero before you decide and purchase. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to play a demo match using locked heroes on the Dota 2 game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.